FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Figma incorporated stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only person in this space myself that's done 44,000 videos over 5 years every single day of hustle, I've documented the whole journey for 5 years every single day. It's on my YouTube channel. That's why I have 44,000 videos. Data shows that if I follow my edge, I'll be okay, right? And currently, even though we have a limited amount of data, I just hope, yeah, you can see pre-market is even lower. I just hope I see the price pulling a bit lower and then giving me a shift so I can take it further up. Look, what I'm not going to be doing is randomly buying here. It's a big key. Biggest key is if it pulls down, gives me the confirmation that I'm buying, right? If it doesn't, I mean, most of the times it does not, because this is a very precise thing that I'm waiting for, but that's fair. Like, not everything's supposed to be traded, and I'll keep you updated. I mean, for right now, things are looking okay. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. It's free.